Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video will show you the item-wise interaction for a single order where the status of that order items can be changed individually on vitepos. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscription button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing. Before going to the main video, we need to understand about difference between item-wise interaction and order-wise interaction. Item interaction supports item-wise interactions that need more interactions, whereas order interaction supports order-wise interactions that need fewer interactions. Item-wise interaction permits the addition of items to an active order, a capability absent in order-wise interaction. The removal of items from an active order is supported in item-wise interaction, but not in order-wise interaction. Sending a single item cancel request from an order is allowed in item-wise interaction, but is not permitted in order-wise interaction. The video on order-wise interaction has been uploaded in the previous. You will get the link in the description. Since we are discussing item-wise interaction, let's now move on to the main video. To begin, navigate to the vitepos admin panel. Inside the Settings module, locate the POS mode tab. Here, choose the traditional mode for the restaurant and activate the item-wise interaction. Finally, click the Save button to apply the changes. Within the Waiter POS module, we'll find the New Order button positioned on the right side. Clicking on this button will open a new box displaying a list of available tables. Choose one or more tables to initiate the order. Click on the Create Order button. This will open a new window displaying the cart and a list of available products. Choose the desired product to include in the order. To confirm and finalize the order, click on the To Kitchen button. Now we will create some more orders. This action will transmit the order to the Kitchen module, and within the Waiter module, you can observe the order status as in Kitchen. Now if the chef prepared a single item of an order, then you can see that a single item will show preparing status. After preparing the item, a waiter will see that the single item changes to the Ready to Serve item. Now the waiter is able to serve the item to the customer. If the all item goes to Ready to Serve, then the waiter can serve the order single item by item, or can serve the all item by clicking on the Make Serve button. Now if the item is on preparing status, then the waiter is able to send a cancel request to the kitchen. If the chef thinks that it is possible to cancel, then the waiter will see the item status is accepted cancel. But somehow if the chef denies the cancel request, then the status will go to the previous status, which is preparing. By the way, if the chef accepted cancel of the item, then the waiter has to remove the item from the order list. But if all items go to the preparing stage, then also waiters have access to send the cancel request of the hold order. If the waiter do that, it also depends on the chef. If the chef accepts the cancellation, then the hold order goes to the Cancel tab on the Waiter panel. But if the chef denies the cancel request, then the item goes back to the preparing stage. Also, waiters are able to add new items on the order item list before completing the order by the cashier. For that, waiter has to click on the Update Order, then it will show all items. And the waiter can add a new item to the cart and click on Update. After, the new items will show on the order item list. Waiter can also remove a single item before the item is not going to the preparing status. Also, if in the order list there is no item going to the preparing status, then the waiter has to cancel the order from his panel. After cancel the order will appear on the Cancel tab. If the waiter creates a new order and sends it to the kitchen, and if the chef denies the hold order, then the order status will change to denied from kitchen. In the kitchen module, orders are identified by their items that have been ordered. Two options accompany each item in the list on its right side: either deny the item or commence preparation by selecting the corresponding option. To initiate the preparation of an item, click on the Start Preparing Item button. In the preparation mode, the status will shift to preparing, and the only remaining option on the right of the item will be to serve. Upon completing the preparation, click on this option, and the status will transition to Ready to Serve. If we deny any ordered item from the kitchen, after clicking on the Deny button, a pop-up will appear on the window with a drop-down that has options of reason to deny the ordered item. Chef has to select one of the options of reason to submit the denied ordered item. After submitting the reason, a denied status appears on the right side of the ordered item. To cancel the entire order, click the Deny button located at the bottom left of the card. Once the Deny button is clicked, the order will be transferred to the section for canceled orders. There is more possibility to cancel the order or item. Example: if the waiter sends a cancel request while preparing an item by the chef, then the chef gets two options. One is yes to accept the cancellation, and another is no to deny the request. If the chef click on yes, then the item will be cancelled. But if the chef check on no button, then the item status goes to the previous status, which is preparing. Also, if all items go to the preparing status, then the waiter has access to send the hold order to cancel requests. If the waiter does that, then the chef also has the access to accept the cancellation or deny the full order. If the chef accepts the request, then the full order goes to the Cancel tab. But if the chef deny, the full order will go back to preparing status. If any item does not go to the preparing status, and also if the waiter will remove the item from the order list, then it is also removed from the order list from the kitchen. On the same way, if the waiter adds some new item to the order list, then the new item will appear on the order list. Within the Cashier section, you can easily track the status of the orders, indicating whether they are in the kitchen, preparing, ready to serve, or served. The Action tab provides a comprehensive view of all order and item statuses. To initiate payment, simply click the Checkout button situated at the bottom of the order card, leading you to the checkout page. Here, you'll find on the left a cart displaying the order item list, and on the right, various payment system options, including some note options for available payment. To include any discounts, fees, or additional notes for the order, utilize the available option located at the bottom of the cart. If customer information needs to be added to the order, simply enter the customer's name in the input box at the cart's bottom. To add new customer information to the order, click on the Add button, also positioned at the cart's bottom. Towards the end of the payment process, the cashier needs to choose a payment method and also select the payment amount, then click the Pay Now button to finalize the order. Upon successful completion, an invoice displaying comprehensive order information will appear on the checkout page. To return to the Cashier module, click on the Cashier button. Observe that the order has transitioned to the Completed tab with the status denoted as completed. Cashiers have some more options, like if a waiter sends an order to the kitchen, then the cashier has the access to deny the order. After denying, the order goes to the Cancel tab. Also, if the order status goes to preparing, that time the cashier also has to send an order cancel request to the chef. If the chef accepts the request, then the order goes to the Cancel tab, otherwise it goes back to the preparing status. Now the cashier does not have the access to send a cancel request to the chef because the cashier already has sent the cancel request one time. On this version, cashiers have got a new access to see Table-Wise Active. You get the option on the Table-Wise Active tab. After clicking on it, now cashiers can see all the tables and the order number. Now the cashier can easily find out the order has come from which table. Also, cashiers have the access to deny, cancel requests, and check out from this tab. That concludes our overview of the item-wise interaction of the restaurant traditional feature of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.